Hello coin engineers and welcome to the second video of Road to Starknet airdrop video. In this video we will be mentioning about the DeFi platforms on Starknet and make some transactions to maximize our chance to get an airdrop both from Starknet and the platforms that we will use. Before we start to our video, if you want to get the latest market data, you can check out coinengineer.io. You can find the link in the descriptions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell in order to get every video and tutorial that we are sharing with you guys to make you more knowledgeable about cryptocurrencies and maximize your chances to get an airdrop in various ecosystems. If you're ready, let's start. Before starting to making transactions on Starknet, you need to bridge Ethereum to your Starknet wallet, which is the Argent X wallet. If you don't have a wallet to use on Starknet yet, and unfortunately you can't use MetaMask on Starknet, you must watch our first video of this playlist to learn how to create your Argent wallet. You can find the link in the descriptions and also in the cards that you can see right now at the top right corner of the video. After creating your Argent wallet, all you have to do is depositing Ethereum to your MetaMask. Don't forget to deposit it on Ethereum mainnet. You can deposit it through Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchange. If you don't know how to use them, you can find the useful links in the descriptions of this video and also in the cards of this video again to learn how to withdraw or deposit money between your wallet and exchange. Now, if everything is ready and set, we will start the video with the Stargate bridge, which is the official bridge of Starknet. Don't forget guys, using the official bridges is essential to get an airdrop, since we've seen that all the layer 2 networks are setting the usage of their official bridge as a plus point in their airdrops. We have seen it on Arbitrum, we have seen it on Optimism, so we should use the Stargate bridge while depositing Ethereum into Starknet. While taking it back, while withdrawing it, you can use some third-party bridges, but while depositing, I strongly recommend you to use Stargate. Not just for the airdrop, while testing the Starknet or any other chain, using their official bridge is essential. So we will use the Stargate bridge. To deposit money, you have to connect both your Ethereum wallet, which is MetaMask, and connect your Starknet wallet, which is Argent X. Click on those connect buttons to connect both of them. After that, select the amount of Ethereum that you want to send to Starknet. Write it here and click on the approve button. It might take some time. If the network is congested, it might take even an hour, but in my case, the maximum amount of time that I waited was 10 minutes. So I don't think there will be any problem. After depositing and finishing the usage of bridge, you'll be able to make transactions on Starknet. I've already bridged 2 times Ethereum into my Starknet wallet, so I'll not be using the bridge at the moment. Now that we send our Ethereum to our Starknet wallet, it's time to use some DeFi platforms on it to increase our transactions and testing out Starknet. The first one is MySwap. At the time that this video is being shot, MySwap has the biggest TVL, which is total value locked DeFi platform on Starknet. So we will start the video with MySwap. As a bonus, they still don't have any token yet, so if you add liquidity in MySwap, you might get a chance to win their airdrop too if they make one. So let's learn how to make swaps on MySwap. You have to select token 1 and token 2 to make transactions between them. Token 1 is the token that you are going to sell. Let's say you breached Ethereum, so you want to sell Ethereum. The token 2 might be anything that you see in the section. Let's continue with the basics and select USDC. Make sure you can make more than one transaction any amount that you want. Make at least 5 or 10 transactions if you are okay with paying transaction fees. It's all about you. It's all up to you. Again, I'll not be making any transactions since I've made before. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Let's say I have 0.002 Ethereums in my wallet. If I want to pay 0.001 Ethereum to get USDC, as you guys can see after writing it here, I saw how much USDC that I'm gonna get, and after clicking on the swap button, I will get the confirm transactions page through my wallet. If I click on confirm button, this transaction will be made, and for my 0.001 Ethereum, I will get 1.73 USDC. And you can see the estimated network fee that you will pay for this transaction. And move on to adding liquidity part. I will show you how to add liquidity in MySwap. At the bottom side, you can see my liquidity which I add to MySwap. I add Ethereum and USDC liquidity. If you want to add the same liquidity or any different, that doesn't matter. You just have to select the liquidity tokens that you want to add. Let's say Ethereum and DAI. If you want to add Ethereum and DAI, just select those, and after making a swap between them, don't forget that while adding liquidity, the dollar-based prices of those assets should be the same. Let's say you have a $50 worth of DAI, so you have to add $50 worth of Ethereum to the pool. So the thing that I will recommend you to do is, if you send Starknet $100 worth of Ethereum and you want to add them as a liquidity in Ethereum DAI pool or any other pool, I will give my example through DAI and Ethereum. Convert $40 of Ethereum into DAI, and after that click on the maximum button which is below DAI, and then $40 worth of Ethereum will be automatically written here, and then click on the add liquidity button. After the transaction is finished, you will be able to see your liquidity position at the bottom side of your screen. By the way guys, sometimes when the network is congested, transactions on Starknet may be slow. Like I said, it may take some time, up to 5 or 10 minutes. Don't be afraid. If something like that happens, it will be eventually completed. So as the last part, if I want to add more liquidity into the same pool, I can click on this add liquidity button and the tokens will automatically turn into this pool. And if I want to withdraw my liquidity, I just have to click on the withdraw button and then choose how much of my liquidity that I want to remove. And then for the last part, all the thing that I have to do is clicking on the remove button. And that was my swap. By doing this, as I've told you earlier, we are increasing our chances to getting an airdrop both from Starknet and if they do from MySwap. And the second swap platform is 10K Swap. Also as a risk warning, both MySwap and 10K Swap is still in alpha version and their contracts haven't been audited yet. So take your own risk and do your own research too before using them. Swapping is the same in the 10K as MySwap, just like every DeFi protocol in cryptocurrency ecosystem. Let's make an example in 10K Swap with Ethereum to WBTC. If I want to convert my 0.001 Ethereum to WBTC, which is Wrap BTC, BTC in Starknet ecosystem, I just have to write how much that I want to convert, and then I just have to click on the swap button. Then the swap will be executed and I will get my WBTC instead of Ethereum. And adding liquidity is more or less the same in 10K swap, just like MySwap. After clicking on the pool button, you will be able to see the pools that are working on 10K swap. You can click on the add liquidity button to add liquidity to those pools. The long way is to clicking on the new position and selecting those tokens. Then doing the same thing, clicking on the max or any other amount that you want to add as a liquidity, and then confirming this transaction. Instead of this, if you click on the add liquidity button, those tokens will automatically be placed in the right places. And as you guys can see, if I click on the max, the amount that needed as an Ethereum will be automatically written here. And after clicking on the deposit button and confirming supply. This pop-up will came from my wallet. If I confirm this liquidity will be added. As I've already added liquidity to 10k swap, as you guys can see from my pool section, I will not be confirming that transaction. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and informed in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can ask us from the comment section and we will be answering them in a short time. If there's any promising DeFi protocol runs on mainnet of Starknet, we will be adding them as separate videos, so don't forget to click on the link in the descriptions to open up our Road to Starknet airdrop video and bookmark it to check it regularly if there's any new video. Take care, see you in the next one.